The exciting part of mobile in India is mobile internet now. Now, on a base of 600 odd million mobile connections, we have GPRS activated in over 250 million. I mean, I think it is safe to assume there are 60 to 70 million active mobile users in India. There may be more or less, and there are different research reports. But I think as far as smartphone shipments goes, this year would look something between 16 to 20 million. And I think by next year we'll have 25 million smartphone base. So I think it's going to be a big market in terms of mobile internet, in terms of apps usage. And internet, we are already number 3 in the world. And I think within 3 years we are going to hit that mark, because right now the penetration in Japan, Korea is very, very high in terms of smartphones. Even little bit of fraction of our population going up, we are going to hit that mark. And I think the time spent which we will see, it will be much bigger than other countries. So I feel there is far more time spent. And one very, very interesting thing you must note about India is that in smaller cities, the first exposure to internet will happen through mobile, because those people who don't have PCs, but mobile is very, very important for their business or communication. And as they shift to smartphones, the first time they're going to experience internet or on-demand content which they've never seen on television or radio till now in their lives will happen on mobile. And I think that is going to be a big game changer. Today, who are the early adopters? If you see, there is mobile developers and mobile app developers, I mean. There is internet companies, and there are certain early adopters who are looking at transactions like banking and financial institutions, auto companies. So these were the early adopters even in the case of internet, because they want to make sure a medium happens. The other big part in mobile which has started to happen is restaurant companies like McDonald's and KFC, and I met their marketing manager, very keen on doing something on mobile because it can push in purchase, so there is high purchase intent. Now in China the market is very, very different. I think Chinese market and the world market are two different markets. So in India we'll hit the numbers, and but I don't think we'll get the refinement. I would not call it refinement, but the usage patterns in China are very different, and in India we may not have the same usage. So in India the usage may happen from very web 1.0 level, and more international games being more popular among the urban India. And in semi-urban or rural India, we will see people seeing internet for the first time. So they may like to browse through pictures, create an email address, things which are very basic on mobile. I think it is going to be huge. Already it is very acceptable. The question was there 2 years back, why advertise on mobile? That question is gone. Why advertise on mobile and internet is no longer a question. How to advertise and how much to advertise is the question, and that is increasing. See, all the influencers, all the buyers, everybody learns from his own life. When the person himself has a smartphone and he realizes he has 2 hour time spent every day on a smartphone, there is no way a head of marketing or a brand manager or a CEO or anybody can say, hey look, I'm not going to invest on mobile internet. So there is this I think huge latent demand which is out there, and 2013 is still going to increase in a linear fashion maybe, but on a high growth. But I think 2014-15 are going to be really big growth drivers for mobile internet.